Channel 4 News, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Batten down the hatches again?
Yeah, there's more coming in from the west and northwest. We can't catch a break. We've just like a dry couple of days for a lot of us. Folks in southern Middle Tennessee, they want the rain. It just hasn't visited them recently. We're kind of in a lull in between different rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms right now. It doesn't mean we're rain free though. We do have some stronger storms right now over northern Cannon County. That one has intensified here in northern Cannon County. Could be producing some small hail here, definitely producing some lightning. Same thing for the storm in White County just to the east of Sparta with some very heavy rain as well. 20 total lightning strikes out of these storms put together, which isn't a lot of electrical activity. Wait till you see the numbers on the storms out to our west and northwest, though. It is going to be loud if those storms hold together. We had some severe thunderstorm warnings a little while ago. Those have been allowed to expire. These storms are staying below severe limits for now. We'll let you know if that changes, but anytime that you can hear thunder, just bring it inside until the storms pass by. If you can hear the thunder, it means the lightning is close enough to be a concern for you. Out to the wider perspective, still a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for eastern Middle Tennessee until 8 p.m. There's a severe thunderstorm watch for West Tennessee that's in effect, but the bulk of the mid-state right now is watch free, is warning free, but I think we are going to have a watch posted by the Storm Prediction Center as these storms get a little bit closer to us, and they are holding together as they roll across the Mississippi River, approaching the Tennessee River right now. We're going to dive down for a closer look using the National Weather Service's radar out of Paducah. Look at the lightning strike data. Almost 700 lightning strikes in the last 10 minutes. Out of these thunderstorms. That is a lot of lightning activity, almost continuous thunder along this line, and the way it's moving, it would take aim on some of the places that saw the heaviest rain out of Wednesday night and Thursday morning storms. Callaway County, Trigg County, Christian County, into Stewart County as well. So you folks need to stay weather aware throughout the evening. We'll hope those storms diminish in intensity as they move in, but they've been holding together, and the air over the mid-state is hot. It's very muggy. That is an unstable environment. So the strongest storms going to happen for western Middle Tennessee and the western half of southern Kentucky between now and about 9 o'clock. The storms hold together, which it looks like they will. They'll roll towards the I-65 corridor around sunset. After sunset, the storm should weaken at least a little bit, but they're still going to be feisty as they move into eastern Middle Tennessee, again, if the current trends continue to hold. The flash flood watch does continue until midnight for northern, northeastern Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky, especially with that line of very heavy rain taking aim on the same places that saw 4 to 6, even 8 to 10 inches of rain out of Wednesday night and Thursday morning storms. The Storm Prediction Center has categorized it as a slight risk of severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5. So some folks can get thrown off by the slight phrasing. It means there is an elevated threat of severe thunderstorms. It just means they're not going to be as widespread as a typical springtime severe weather outbreak, but damaging winds, flash flooding, hail, all possible. We have seen some funnel clouds out of those storms off to our east earlier in the day, but that threat is going to remain fairly low as we head into this evening. And of course, frequent lightning out of any thunderstorm, regardless of whether it's severe or not. In the meantime, hazy sunshine over Nashville right now, and it is hot and it is steamy. 93 degrees, the current temperature in Nashville. It's 94 in Smyrna and Murfreesboro, 95 in Lebanon. Rain cooled air to our east, rain cooled air to our west. Here we are in between with air temperatures in the low to mid 90s and heat indices in the upper 90s to low 100s. That number was up to about 105, 106 in Nashville a little bit earlier. So as we go through the evening, we'll keep you posted on those storms as they get closer and closer to us. We have more scattered storm chances in the forecast tomorrow, mostly southern Middle Tennessee tomorrow, and then a better chance of more widespread storms in the forecast on Sunday. I don't think there's much of a severe weather threat, but just additional rain would not be good news for us. That's the way it's looking though for Sunday. That'll keep temperatures a little cooler. The mugginess isn't going anywhere. Back to hot and humid weather as we head through most of next week with at least a chance, about a 1 in 3 chance at minimum, of a thunderstorm paying you a visit each and every afternoon. It's going to be a while before we break out of this pattern.
Paul, thanks.